County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:43 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mangle, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern League City, southern Friendswood, Alvin, Dickinson, Santa Fe, and eastern Mangle. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind advisory in effect until
This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in League City because of a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Brazoria County and Galveston County until 4:13 this afternoon. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Brazoria County and Galveston County until 4:13 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.